Okay, this ventral section right here, this is exactly what we need for the premium wallet panels. Consistent pattern and thickness. The surface finish is perfect, but there's an imperfection right here. Now, mark it for separation.
A wallet pattern is positioned carefully over the leather. Workers study the scale arrangement, deciding exactly where each component will be cut. Each component is inspected. Edges are refined with specialized finishing equipment. Every piece is aligned against a reference template. Every edge is carefully inspected. We verify the fit of every compartment. This confirms the construction is flawless.